How do you assess the startup market in Romania? How many projects that you have seen during this year had really grown in full startups by now? Do you have an idea? Can you tell us about this?
This is a big issue, and that's why I'm glad to hear my friend Luca. What the French Tech is doing is extremely complementary to what we are trying to do, and we were very happy to see French Tech and this Links initiative, especially because, of course, financing is always one of the issue faced by all the startups. Now, before talking about financing, as you rightly say, Adriana, we have seen, and as I did mention earlier, among these 50 and more startups that we have that make pitches in front of us this last years, the level were extremely different. So there are a lot of people with Romania is a very innovative country, at least in the spirit of a lot of people and of young people. They are very creative. This has existed since a long time. They are very creative. I've always been impressed by that. I've been in this country for a number of years, as you probably know. I've always been impressed by the innovative character, especially of the young generation here, probably much more than in countries of the West. But to be innovative and to have nice ideas is not enough. And this is exactly how we intervene. This is exactly how we intervene as the booster in order to help and to coach and to advise these people, because some of them have very brilliant ideas, but it's not enough to have an ideas. They are at a too early stage even to think about financing and about developing. And this is a critical part, and this is where I think we can bring a lot to these people, full of energy, full of ideas. And it's well known that in the world of startup, out of a 100 project, maybe 2 or 3 will reach a maturity stage and arrive at something. But most of them, there is a lot of patience, there is a lot of energy put into it. So it's worth having a look at it. And to address more specifically your question, Adriana, among these 50 projects, I won't give especially figures, but maybe just a couple of them have managed to reach a later stage and even to be pitches in front of Links or of other investors. But it has been some of them, and it's always a pleasure for us to see the startups that we saw at the beginning reaching an interesting stage and being able to develop what they wanted to develop.